Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering why I am showing you my refrigerator. Well, today I'm gonna show you how I clean my stainless steel. I use only 2 ingredients, and once I clean it, it lasts about 2 or 3 months before I have to wipe it down again. I'm gonna give you a close-up of all the water stains, all the finger marks, the calcium from the water, and I am purposely let my fridge get this dirty just so I can make this video just to show you. The only 2 ingredients that you're gonna need is the olive oil and the vinegar. It doesn't matter the brand, any of them will work. I buy mine at Aldi's, and 2 rags, 1 for each one. So first, we're just gonna take a little bit of vinegar. You really don't need much. You really just wanna, wet the cloth. And then the second one, we're gonna need a little bit of olive oil. Like, that is all you need to clean the fridge. Okay, step 1, you're gonna take a little bit of vinegar and you're gonna go with the grains of the stainless steel. Yeah, stainless steel has grains too, just like wood. So you would just go sideways in this case to clean and disinfect, and pretty much how you would clean it if you were using water and soap. You could scrub it a little harder, get all the marks off, and repeat if you need to. As you can see, vinegar takes off pretty much all the water stains from the calcium from the water. It takes off all the little marks. Also, take note, it's not the best smell. So if you don't like the smell of vinegar, this might not be for you, but the smell doesn't last very long. So once you're all done and it's all dried up, you won't even smell it anymore. Okay, so I went ahead and wiped it down with the vinegar. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna give it a few minutes to dry up, and then step 2 is to go over it now with the olive oil. And sometimes if it takes a little too long to dry, I kind of just go over it with the dry cloth. So I only clean the screen with the vinegar. I don't go over it with the olive oil, just the vinegar for the screen. So step 2 is the same as step 1, only instead of vinegar, you're using the olive oil. So you're dipping the cloth in the olive oil, and now you're gonna do a polish pretty much. And I go sideways. So I'm almost done. Just wanted to show you the difference. The left side is almost done, and the right side I haven't touched yet. But as you can see, so far it's showing you the results. The left side is shining, the right side is full of watermarks. So let me continue, and then you'll see the final piece. Right now we just have to let it dry. This is the finale. This is what it looks afterwards. It'll last about a month and a half depending on how many kids you have and how much they touch the fridge. But this is an economical, easy way to clean your stainless steel without having to buy those expensive cleaners that do exactly the same thing. All right, hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.